Alright, so what is up guys? Today we're going to be studying about the difference between return and break keyword. Basically, return keyword is used for breaking or returning a value from a function. You can even use it to break the function, like terminate the function right there by using the return keyword. Whereas break is used in for loops or while loop, where you can break the iteration or you can just break the loop. Alright, so here I made a user-defined function called sum a comma b. I'm returning the value of a plus b, and at the last line I've printed and called the function sum by putting the arguments as 5 comma 5. And here I made a for loop I equal to 1 comma 5, so it should be iterating 5 times, my bad. And here I made a condition which is if I equals 4, then break. So break will just it will stop the loop. So once I equals false, it will break the loop and it will exit the loop. So it will come back here and you'll start reading this line. So if you run this code, it will print 1 2 3 4 until 4, because when I equals 4, it should break. So it won't print 5 and then 10, because we're calling the function sum. Alright, so from this code we can actually determine the difference between return and break keyword, which is that return keyword is used only in functions, user-defined functions, whereas the break keyword is used in for loops and while loops, and it's used for terminating the loop when a condition is true. So here the condition is if I equals 4. So in this output we can see that the I equals 4 and it breaks the loop here. And just after the 4, printing 4, it runs this line, which is it calls a function sum 5 comma 5, and we are getting the return value as 5 plus 5, which is 10. Alright, so guys, if you guys have any doubt, you can comment down below. I actually made this video because I think a lot of people have a misunderstanding of the usage of return and break keyword. So if this video helped you, just put a like and subscribe. Alright, see you guys. Bye bye.